Hello, I am Ankita and I have got placed in Clearwater Analytics and working as a hedge fund reconciliation analyst. What made me choose, or what was the reason why I came to Marticus to take this course, ABOP course, was period to this I was preparing for government exam, and getting out of that trap was very difficult for me to figure out how can I get into a private company. So I just searched. I didn't got any recommendation, to be honest. I just searched. Emarticus was the first suggestions to be given by the Google. I just called here, asked for the help, and they've given me how to get admission here, and I've got into this coaching. The journey in Emarticus was very amazing. Because from the day one when I have joined, I did not have any confidence in me. I did not had any idea about what IB is. Through this course, I got to know what exactly IB is, what are the roles which are being offered in IB companies, and I have learned all the ins and outs about IBs. What are the topics? Like Vikrant sir has taught us all the topics, gave us insights about the company, like how does it works and all. In our training, whatsoever we are being taught there, we have already covered in our course. Like everything has got covered. Once you get into the company, they won't teach you any topic there. They would directly step into that practical, how does thing work. So I think to reach that position, you need to have that prior knowledge. So that is what Emarticus has taught us. Like it's been a great journey here. Yeah, 100% I would recommend that person to join Emarticus, because Emarticus focuses mainly on industry training programs. They'll only teach you what is required in the market, what is required for the interviews, and also after that the work you will be working on. So they give that perfect training here. So this is the main reason I would ask other one to join here as well. Yeah, first of all, to be in investment bank, you should have a good command over the communications, because without communication, you won't be able to survive here. Because mostly, if you are working in IB, you'll have to interact with the clients, and mostly UK, US client, all these. So you need to have a good communication skills there. The most important skill which is required in an investment bank is communication skills. Obviously, you need to have a good command over your knowledge, but communication skill plays a very vital role in getting placed into a company, because most of the companies won't select you if you don't have a good communication knowledge, communication skills. Yeah, for sure. The Emarticus has helped me a lot, because from the day I can see difference in myself. When I joined the course, day one, I was not confident enough to speak in front of 35 students, and now I can speak, at least I have this confidence to speak in front of others. So I think Emarticus has helped me a lot. Like taking mocks again and again has built a confidence in me. I would rate 10 out of 10 to Emarticus because of the industry-driven programs they provide. Plus, apart from this, the HR trainings are very amazing here. And for the people who lack spoken English spoken, all that, they also provide spoken English classes apart from the 4-hour session here. That mostly that will be online, but it will be very helpful. They provide it around for around 2 to 3 months, but that will be very helpful for you.